Spice tip number 1 of the 7 spices for faster weight loss tips. How to use and which ones. Turmeric, a spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Originating from Southeast Asia, turmeric has been a staple in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Turmeric gets its golden color from a powerful compound called curcumin. This compound is not just a pigment, it's the secret behind turmeric's health benefits. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, which means it helps reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can mess with your metabolism and lead to weight gain. It's also linked to various diseases, including heart disease and cancer. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you can help combat these issues. You're actively fighting inflammation from the inside out. Imagine starting your day with a warm turmeric latte or adding it to your favorite dishes. Less inflammation means a healthier metabolism primed for weight loss. It also means better overall health and well-being. How do you use turmeric? Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie or mix it into your oatmeal for a nutritious boost. Stir it into soups and stews for a warming, earthy flavor, or use it in curries to enhance the taste and health benefits of your meals. Pro tip: black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin. This is because piperine, a compound in black pepper, makes curcumin more bioavailable. Add a pinch of black pepper to maximize its benefits and combine it with healthy fats like coconut oil. These fats help curcumin dissolve and be absorbed by the body. Consistency is key. Incorporate it into your diet regularly to notice the difference. Over time, you'll likely see improvements in your overall health and energy levels. By the way, hey everyone! Welcome to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube channel, where we share easy how-to-lose-weight tips and tricks for faster body transformation results. We hope you find the following info helpful. Now let's get back into it. Spice tip number 2 of spices for faster weight loss. Cinnamon. This is known for its warm, comforting aroma. This spice has been cherished for centuries, not just for its flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. Originating from the bark of cinnamomum trees, cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Cinnamon is a powerful ally in your weight loss journey by regulating your blood sugar levels. It contains compounds that mimic insulin, improving glucose uptake by your cells. When your blood sugar spikes after a meal, your body releases insulin, which can lead to fat storage. High insulin levels can make it difficult to lose weight and can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Cinnamon helps slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing drastic spikes and crashes. This steady release of sugar helps maintain balanced energy levels throughout the day. This means fewer cravings, more stable energy levels, and less fat storage. By keeping your blood sugar levels in check, cinnamon can help you avoid the energy slumps that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Adding cinnamon to your diet is easy. Sprinkle it on oatmeal, stir it into yogurt, or even blend it into your smoothies for a delicious twist. You can also add a dash to your coffee for a warm, spicy kick that enhances flavor without adding extra calories. Aim for about 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon daily to reap its weight loss benefits. Remember, moderation is key. Too much cinnamon can have adverse effects, so it's important to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. Spice. Tip 3 of spices for faster weight loss. Cayenne pepper. This vibrant red spice is not just a kitchen staple, but a secret weapon for your health. If you can handle a little spice, cayenne pepper can be a powerful tool for weight loss. It's not just about the heat, it's about the benefits that come with it. The magic ingredient in cayenne pepper is capsaicin, which gives it that fiery kick. Capsaicin is what makes cayenne pepper a standout among other spices. Capsaicin is a natural thermogenic, increasing your body temperature and boosting your metabolism. This means your body works harder, burning more calories. When your metabolism is revved up, you burn more calories, even at rest. Imagine burning extra calories while you're just sitting or sleeping. Capsaicin has also been shown to suppress appetite and reduce cravings. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to cut down on snacking. If you often reach for unhealthy snacks, cayenne pepper can help you stay on track. It can make healthier choices more appealing. Start small. Add a pinch to soups, stir-fries, or detox water. You don't need to overwhelm your taste buds right away. Gradually increase the amount as your tolerance builds up. Over time, you'll find the right balance that suits your palate. It's all about finding what works for you. Experiment and enjoy the journey of discovering how cayenne pepper can spice up your life and health. Thank you for watching our Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel, by the way. Please like this video, subscribe and turn on all notifications to the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel. You're the best, by the way. Now back to the tips you came here for. Spice tip 4 of spices for faster weight loss. Ginger. Ginger is a digestive powerhouse, and good digestion is crucial for weight loss. This is another spice used for centuries in traditional medicine. When your digestive system isn't functioning optimally, it can lead to bloating, constipation, and poor nutrient absorption. Ginger helps stimulate the production of digestive juices, breaking down food more efficiently. Ginger also has thermogenic properties, temporarily increasing your body temperature and boosting your metabolism. Incorporating ginger into your diet is easy. Brew fresh ginger tea, grate it into stir-fries, or add it to salad dressings. Bonus tip: ginger can also help reduce nausea. It's a win-win. Spice tip 5 of spices for faster weight loss. Black pepper. Black pepper is a nutritional powerhouse with surprising weight loss benefits. The key player in black pepper is piperine, a compound that enhances nutrient absorption. Piperine can also interfere with the formation of new fat cells, helping prevent fat storage. Black pepper can boost your metabolism and help your body break down fat more efficiently. To maximize the benefits, use freshly ground black pepper. Freshly ground pepper retains more beneficial compounds compared to pre-ground pepper. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. Before we reveal the next hot 7 spices for faster weight loss tips, how to use and which ones tip, just a polite reminder that there are resources in the Everyday Weight Loss Hacks YouTube description box that you can click on that can help you speed up your weight loss results starting today. Make sure to check them out after the video so you can start seeing a better-looking body in almost no time. Now, on to the next spice tip. Spice tip number 6 of spices for faster weight loss. Cardamom. Cardamom has a warm, slightly sweet flavor that adds depth to dishes. Cardamom has thermogenic properties, temporarily increasing your body temperature and boosting your metabolism. This helps you burn more calories throughout the day. Cardamom also aids digestion and reduces bloating, making you feel lighter. It adds a naturally sweet flavor to dishes, allowing you to cut back on sugar. Add cardamom pods or powder to tea or coffee. Use it in baking or add it to savory dishes like curries and stews. Its unique flavor profile pairs well with a variety of ingredients. Experiment and enjoy. We here at Everyday Weight Loss Hacks channel want to know before we share the next tip. Have you tried any of these personally? If so, which ones? Which ones would you consider trying in the future? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments. We would love to see it. We would love to hear from you. The best comments get a heart. We aren't kidding either. Go ahead and leave a comment if you dare. Feel free to share this video with a friend too. Spice tip 7 of spices for faster weight loss. Cumin. Cumin has a warm, earthy flavor that adds depth to dishes. This spice is commonly used in Mexican, Indian, and Middle Eastern cuisine. Cumin has impressive weight loss benefits, particularly in reducing belly fat. Studies show that cumin can help reduce body fat and waist circumference. Cumin may also improve cholesterol levels, benefiting heart health. Use cumin seeds whole and toasted, or sprinkle ground cumin on roasted vegetables, rice dishes, or soups. Try making cumin-spiced yogurt dip for a healthy and delicious snack. Watch this next Lose Weight Faster video now.